Hey, thanks for tuning in. My name is Chris, and I have the brand new Dell Pro 5 2K webcam, which is Windows Hello, Teams, and Zoom certified. This is going to be a quick video of the unboxing, showing you what's inside, giving you some of the key features. I will do a second video kind of showing you the setup of this device with our Dell Pro Peripheral Manager and some of the AI gesturing control that you can do with it. So let's start there. So basically this device here has AI built in. It has an NPU of 1 tops, which is great. A 4 megapixel camera running at 2K at 30 frames per second. You can take a look at here. Not only is it Windows certified for Teams and Zoom, but it's also certified to be used with Mac OS, where we do support with the display manager for also Mac OS, if you did not know that. So let's get into it and unbox this Dell Pro 5 webcam. All right. Okay, so let's take a look and see what's in the box. So your first thing you'll notice with regards to the previous generation compared to this one is the brand new form factor. This sits very small. It's only about, I believe, like 30 millimeters tall. I'll double check the spec on that, but you'll see instantly it has a built-in privacy shutter. It has a built-in mic as well, one microphone for it, and it has a USB-C cable, which has also the dongle for the USB Type A. We're going to go over the cable a lot, so here is the stand for it. It's a magnetic stand, so that's an option as well. And then you also get your standard user guide or information package. Okay, so let's go move this over to the side. And let's just unwrap the paper here. You notice that we're not using any plastics here. This have sustainable packaging, so that is fantastic. So this new stand, it provides basically a magnetic mount that be able to for pivoting and swiveling. So take a look. And that's kind of the brand new form factor. Like I mentioned, this has a 4 megapixel camera with 2K resolution at 30 frames per second. Some of the biggest generation over gen features you're going to notice here is around AI. This has a built-in NPU of 1 tops. What that's going to allow us to do is allow it to do its own processing for hand gestures, which is really cool. Basically, you put up your hand, the camera will zoom into that area, and you'll be able to display a product, so you don't have to hold up your product to the camera any longer. That's really cool. It'll also help with the autofocusing. It does have an IR camera on it, so it is Windows Hello certified, and it does have Windows spoofing detection, which is fantastic. The other area for AI, it has the document view, so you can tilt this downward on the mount, and you can zoom in, then apply a setting. I shouldn't say setting, apply a crop to the document so it instantly orientates it onto the screen for your colleagues to see. Another area that was asked for, since this will be deployed a lot into the environment, is on the cable itself with some sort of anti-theft device. So with our Kensington partnership, we've gone ahead and added the ability to get this screwed in to the Kensington locking system. So you can screw in the cable, and as you can see here on the back, unlike the 7 series, this cable is fixed inside the actual product. So it has anti-theft deterrent, and also with regards to being mounted on the magnetic mount, you have basically a one-hand tilt, as you can see here. So you can tilt it, you can pan it, no problem, very easy to do. And that mount is very stiff, it's very strong. We do the Dairy Queen blizzard test, so it does not fall off. So you can feel pretty confident with it as well. The one thing I mentioned about the mount is that you actually do have a tripod hole here as well. So if you wish to screw it into a tripod, you can do so as well. So that's a quick view of what's inside the box. between the mount and the stand. As you know, the stand would just kind of open up and you put it on there, and that's kind of how it will sit on the screen. Talking about screens, if you want to learn more about this or feel like you're having it in your hand, you can go directly over to our website, Dell.ca, Dell.com, use our HDX spinner. Here you go. Or on a smartphone, you can just scan in the QR code and you can go ahead and rotate this and make it feel like you have it in your hand itself. You can have full control in the HDX spinner. So you have as much control as I did with having it in my hand. You can find all our peripherals on our e-guide. You can search for it and you'll have not only the webcam information, but everything from our headphones to our keyboards. Here inside the e-guide is kind of the overview of both the 7 series and the 5000 or the 5 series of the webcam. So hopefully that was a quick unboxing. Hope you enjoyed that and have a great day.